Enabling two-factor authentication to your FA on your Webull account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Webull account. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings, look for the security settings option. This section will contain various security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose a method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Verify and save changes. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method, entering any codes sent to you. Once verified, save your changes to complete the setup. Now your Webull account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.